better room turn on. Like I made it today. I did it. Yeah. I need something they would say she gave it up like on the first day, but yes. Nah, I'm not a ready guy. It's more like that. Yeah, it's for real. I think we shot it. I think we shot on this now.
I ain't the pussy for dinner. I ain't the pussy for dinner. Dinner.
Way out of money.
I ain't the pussy for dinner. How is it?
Allez, tu es allé tous là, tu allé faire. Yeah.
I ain't the pussy for dinner. I ain't the pussy for dinner. Her pussy tastes like vanilla. I got the room shut on there. I'm not a regular there.
Let me hear it. I wanna hear this shit. I might hit lips and finger, I might hit lips.
I know these niggas mad. I make these niggas go mad. Know they buy my swag. Know they buy my swag. I know these niggas mad. I make these niggas go mad. Know they buy my swag. Know they buy my swag. I be rockin' the familiar. That's when you're shaking me, feeling me. I know I'm gonna be a millionaire. Don't give a fuck if you stick on me. I just be getting mad like every day. That's what I'm about. Bitches be stuck in my face. They say they need titties. I'm signing them out. Yeah, you should stop running your mouth. Still there. If I had your know I do so fever. I don't need that weapon. It's not that you see that. You told me that her booty keeps getting bigger. I ain't the pussy for dinner. Her pussy tastes like vanilla. You got the control of a nigga. I'm not a regular nigga.
I put it on, I'm here with that gang. I'm with the
No,
with the gang.
Get with that gang.
Gang. With the gang. I put it on, I'm here with that gang. I just be okay, good thing, and then you shake it and then fuck. I just be fine, I don't know where I'm at. Yeah. I put it on, I'm here with that gang. I just be far, I don't know where I'm at. I'm with the villain, you wet with it. I'm not just taking your rest, and we're taking it back. Good thing.
Got it clean, yeah?
But it's good.
I mean, this one's bad.
It's really good.
Know they buy my swag. I put it on, I'm here with that gang. I just be far, I don't know where I'm at. I'm with the villain, you wet with it. I'm not just taking your rest, and we're taking it back.
Yeah, let's do it, man. That's something. I put it on, I'm here with that gang. I just be far, I don't know where I'm at. I'm with the villain, yeah, but I'm just taking your risk, and we're taking it back. Your bitches be fast, they just be showing the cities, be signing them up. It's right to be back. I'm just taking your risk, and we're taking it back. We're taking your land, and throw it with bad. We're signing that crazy, your bitches be fast, they just be showing the cities, be signing them up. It's right to be back.
Crazy.
We're taking your land, we're going with bad. We're sounding like Justin, your bitches be fast. That just be showing the cities and signing them up. Y'all niggas really be bad. Yeah. I'm just taking your rest, and we're taking it back. We're taking your land, we're going with bad. We're sounding like Justin, your bitches be fast. That just be showing the cities and signing them up. Y'all niggas really be bad. There's a tongue going.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I just be showing the cities inside them all. My niggas really be bad. Running them all. My niggas really be bad.
Should I switch the floor then? Should I switch the floor or should go? Like,
I don't know.
I wanna see.
Well, now it's gonna
Let me just switch it.
Running them all. My niggas really be bad. I know these niggas be mad. I make these niggas go mad. Know why they buy my swag. Know why they buy my swag. I know these niggas be mad. I make these niggas go mad. Know why they buy my swag. Know why they buy my swag.
I be rockin' La Familia. That's why your shawty be feeling me. I know I'm gon' be a millionaire. Don't give a fuck if you sleep on me.
I just bikini pants like every day. That's what I'm about. Bitches be stalking my page. They sending me TDs. I'm signing them out. Bitches stop running your mouth. Don't nigga. If I not jungle, got jungle fever. I don't need a weapon. It's not that 2C that she told me that her booty keeps getting bigger. I hit the pussy for dinner. Her pussy tastes like vanilla. You got the room shallow, nigga.